these are the 5 or 4, you can call them, the characteristics of voice uh, to make you a very effective and expressive speaker. Let's look at the quality of voice. Don't try to read everything what is written on your screen. Just listen what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. So the quality of voice is something which depends upon the vibrance. Okay. And I'm not getting into the very much scientific details of it, that what happens inside your throat, hand and nose and mouth. There's a 4 part to it, right? Head, throat, nose and your mouth. So what happens among these, even it starts from the diaphragm somewhere down. Okay. So these 5-6 components, they make the resonance and they create some vibration, and with that your voice comes out. However, the simplest way to control is of the quality is your emotions, because age is something which is not in your control. If you would have listened to great Lata Mangeshkar songs in 60s or 70s or 80s or 90s or 2000s, till the time she was active in Bollywood singing, you could differentiate the change in her voice quality. It has been always impeccably good, but there has been change in quality. Do you agree with me? There has been change in quality. Yes or no? Even if you listen to Sonu Nigam songs of 90s, okay, and now, you will see the change in quality. Okay, so you can say they must be doing riyaz and all that. That's I agree, but that is the major impact of the age, which is beyond our control. So what is in our control is the emotion. These are the 2 factors through which you can change the quality of your voice. Emotions, again, I would say it is majorly controlled by your body language. If you are feeling happy inside, the quality of voice खनकती हुई आएगी आपकी आवाज. Can you, when you are talking to someone on mobile, just mobile call, voice call, can you able to make out a difference if the person is happy or sad? If I'm talking to you right now, can you make out whether my energy is low or high without even looking at me, just by listening to my voice? That is the quality. If your emotions are high, your quality of voice will be very good. That is why even like a few days ago, our team even published that on our Solstice page, that if you are talking to someone on phone, put a smile on your face, even if you're not visible to that person. I don't know if you're able to appreciate it or not. Okay, but this is what I'm asking you to do. If you know that 38% of your impression is going to be contributed by your voice quality or your voice, why don't you take care of your emotions so that your quality is so rich that the person gets too much of good vibes from you? Can you take care of it while talking to someone? It is very easy, right? It is just this moment you can change it. This moment you can change it. Okay, you know, when Abdullah was, so I see everybody is vulnerable, I am also vulnerable. When Abdullah was talking, I switched on my camera. Why did I switch on? Because I wanted to wear this collar neck. Okay, I am going through some problem of disc desiccation, so when I sit for long, it pains like hell. But my job is like that. So what do? I can't say that, you know, it's paining, I can't do that, I can't do this. Okay, how I'm managing this? My energy will never go down when I am delivering. First of all, I love this. Second is I manage this way. So my quality of voice will depend upon my happiness, and my happiness is whenever I am teaching and talking or learning. Okay, so you decide. You take care of your emotions when you are talking to someone. It is very easy to do. Switch off. If you just had a fight with your parents, with your siblings, with your husband, wife, okay, for some reason it keeps happening, right? In every home it happens. But the moment you switch on to some other job, switch it off and switch this on. Easy? Type easy peasy. It is very easy. It is just switch off on. If you are living in some fool's world that you live, oh, इसने मुझे ऐसा क्यों कहा, मैंने लाइफ में इसको इतना कुछ दिया, क्या नहीं किया इसके लिए मैंने, right? If you get into that, your quality, वो तो गया ही है, ये भी जाएगा साथ में आपके, right? So don't do that. वो हो गया, ठीक है, वो खत्म हो गया. अभी स्विच ऑन करके अच्छे से काम कर लो, फिर वापस जाके बोलना कि मैंने आपके लिए इतना कुछ किया, आपने मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं किया. So that keeps going on. Okay, so that is about the quality.